Hey, what's up guys? If you're new to the channel, welcome. My name is Kevin Pack and I'm a multiple six-figure Amazon business owner. Obviously, if you're in business, you're gonna be working with a lot of money, and it goes without saying that you're gonna need to know how to manage your money. I'm 24 years old, and growing up, I was never really taught how to manage my money or how to save my money. My mom always told me just to save money, but she never taught me like how to actually do it or how much I should save. She just said, do it, and then that's it. I had to figure it out on my own. So because of that, when I was in my teens as a wee young lad, I really didn't know what to do with my money, so I was just spending it like no other. I probably could have managed my money a lot better, and I probably could have used it a lot better, and probably not buy things that I didn't need. Let me tell you, when I learned about online shopping, I went on a damn rampage, and that is one of the things I should not have done. I bought this hat from Urban Outfitters one time that had like golden bedazzles on it, and I don't know why I bought it. I don't even wear it. It just... So in this video, I'm gonna help you teens and young adults manage your money a lot better and prevent you from going broke like I did back then by using the 50, 25, 25, and reverse rule. Now before we begin, I'm gonna show you guys my business and my numbers just so you guys don't think I'm just some random Asian internet guy talking. All right, so here is my business. It's my Amazon business. We're gonna refresh. Boom, there we go. So that's my Amazon business. Currently, I'm doing a little over $30,000 a month in revenue. Now, this is something that anyone can do, and if that's something that you want to try out and do as well, go ahead and check out my description down below where I teach people how to start their own Amazon business. But let's get back to the rest of the video. So let's imagine your total income in a pie chart, and we're gonna divide it into needs or essentials, and then wants or non-essentials, and then your savings. The 50, 25, 25 rule and reverse basically breaks down your income into three parts. 50% of your income is going to be from your needs, 25% from your wants, and then 25% from your savings. And this is gonna be based off of your net income. Net being after taxes. We'll get into what reverse means later, but starting off in your money management journey, you're gonna need to not mix up your wants and your needs. So let's just clarify right now what the needs are, okay? Your needs are gonna consist of your rent or mortgage, car payments, utilities, and groceries, and etc. These are the things where if you didn't have it, you'd be struggling or you'd die. These are gonna be your essentials. Now your non-essentials are gonna be those things that you want, such as your Nike Jordan 1s that you copped last week. Your non-essentials and wants also include things like shopping, your Disney Plus, and also eating out as well, which is definitely a big thing that we're all guilty of, okay? Because look, I'm a sucker for McDonald's, all right? I'm not gonna lie, look, I'm fit and everything, but McDonald's has a special place in my heart. So these are the things that you're gonna desire, but you actually don't need. You can actually survive with it and not struggle or die if you didn't have it. No, stop being dramatic. I know you're gonna be like,
I need Disney Plus. Oh no, it's a necessity out of my life.
cut it. It's not. Last thing is gonna be savings, and this is something not a lot of people do, and I'm guilty of it. I didn't do when I first started off either. I'm not perfect. I had to learn to get my way up here, okay? Your savings can count towards an emergency fund that should be about 3 to 6 months, and this is going to include your monthly needs plus maybe a little bit of your wants, and you're gonna need about 3 to 6 months of that. So basically, if you had your needs and expenses of $2,000 per month, then you would have an emergency fund that's anywhere between $6,000 and $12,000 saved up. Your savings can also count towards paying off any debt that you have, like student loans, or investing into your retirement fund, like your Roth IRA, or investing it into a business or any other stocks or anything like that. Now, I know at first this may seem obvious, like, duh, Kev, this is what you should be doing, but people don't actually write this down on paper or have it on an app or somewhere written down. So it's easy to kind of see your budget kind of mixing together, like your wants and your needs kind of just mesh together. So it's important to be able to have it down on paper or have an app, a budgeting app like EveryDollar that's going to separate all of these needs and wants, and so you know where your money's being allocated, because you'd be surprised by how little your savings could be or how much wants you actually have. So it's good to have it down and actually see everything visually and knowing where your money is going and if you're actually using this rule properly. So I mentioned reverse. So what does reverse mean? So we know that 50% is gonna be needs, 25% is gonna be wants, and 25% is gonna be savings. Now, as your income grows, assuming that you use this method at first and then you're using your savings to, grow your income, investments, whatever, you're gonna need to go in reverse now. Meaning now your income is going to be 50% savings, 25% needs, 25% wants. Now the percentages give or take, but the whole purpose is to go from getting your savings to the highest percentage and everything else is going to be the lowest percentages. Moving your way into the reverse method is a great way to set yourself in financial stability and also financial freedom, and you'll be able to pay off your debts, have more money for investments and retirement, and etc. So let's use my own income as an example. We're gonna look at last month in April, how much I made, and here is the breakdown from making $17,000 in net profit in April. Of that $17,000, 79% of that went into savings and investments, 3% went into my wants, and then 18% went into my needs. Now, obviously it wasn't always like that. I started off with the 50, 25, 25 first, and then I made my way into what I have now, which is basically 80% savings and everything else is whatever I have left. But that is how I manage my money. So you wanna start off with the 50, 25, 25 rule first, and then go reverse as you continue to make more money. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. And if it was, go ahead and like this video and subscribe for more content because that helps me out. As always, go get that money and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.